Registering for and renewing an ABL license is easy and convenient on MyDORWAY. You must have a valid retail license and log into MyDORWAY to submit an ABL 901, 902, or 571 application. First, let's walk through the process of registering for our retail-based ABL licenses. From the Account screen, click the More tab at the top. Click the Apply for a New Alcohol Beverage License link in the other panel. Please note that you need to have a retail license for your location if you want to register for a retail-based ABL license. If you need to apply for a retail license, you can fill out the application by clicking the Business Tax Application link in the other panel. For ABL licenses with no retail license requirement, you can apply from the MyDORWAY homepage. Click the New Alcohol Beverage License Application link in the Applications and Searches panel to apply for non-retail ABL licenses. The application steps will be very similar whether or not you are logged in while applying for your ABL license. For this example, we will register for an ABL 901 while being logged in to MyDORWAY. Read through the ABL license instructions to ensure you meet the criteria. If you need the required forms listed, you may click the form hyperlinks to download the forms before you fill out the application. Once you're finished reviewing the requirements, click Next. If you are applying through the MyDORWAY homepage, you will have an extra page for the business information. If you are filling out the registration while being logged into MyDORWAY, enter your trade name and NAICS code. If you don't know your NAICS code, you can search for it by clicking the link on the page. Click Next once you're finished. Choose your ABL application using the drop-down menu. Different drop-down menus will appear depending on your selection. Fill out the required fields that appear. If you're taking over a business that already has an ABL license and you need a temporary 120-day license, be sure to check the appropriate box. Click Next once you're finished. The license information table lists the non-refundable filing fees associated with the ABL account you are registering for. These license fees may change depending on the license you are applying for. The total of all filing fees will be listed at the bottom of the table. Click Next to continue. Select your ABL license location. If you don't see a location on this screen, or you don't see the location you're looking for, you don't yet have a valid retail license. You must first obtain one by completing the business tax application. Once you've selected your location, click Next. Enter the municipality information. Click Next once you're finished. Enter your mailing address. Click the Verify Address link to verify your address. If the address cannot be verified as entered, a pop-up will appear prompting you to either select a verified address or confirm the unverified address. After the address is verified, click Save. Once your address is verified, click Next. Fill out the designated agent information. Designated agents will receive all notices from the SCDOR concerning your license or permit. Click Next to continue. You will need to add records for at least one owner or officer. Click the Add a Record link. Fill out the owner-officer info in the 3 panels listed. Be sure to click the Verify Address link to verify the owner's address. Use the drop-down menus to answer the questions at the bottom of the form. If you would like to add another owner, click the Add a Record link at the top. You can also copy this record or delete this record using those links. Once you're finished, click Next. Enter the information for your contact person. The contact person must be a principal listed on the ABL 946 Consent and Waiver. Attorneys are only required to submit a letter of representation. Click Next once you are finished. Enter any employees or manager records if necessary by clicking the Add a Record link and repeating the same steps we followed earlier. Once you're finished, click Next. The payment information page will display your license fee due along with payment options. Select the payment type you wish to pay the fee with. If you select checking or savings account, you are prompted to enter your banking information. If you select credit card, you will be directed to a secure payment site after submission to complete your application. For this example, we will choose the checking or savings account option and click Next. The Documents page allows you to add all required documents to your online application. Required documents will be listed in the table, along with any optional documents. Be sure to review the information about criminal record checks and add receipts carefully before adding attachments. Click the Add Attachment link to add all required documents. Enter a description and click Choose File to choose the file from your computer. Once you're finished adding all required documents or optional documents, click Next. Enter your checking or savings account and routing number in the Payment Information panel. If you would like to save this bank information for future payments, click Yes in the Save This Bank Account field. Confirm the payment date and enter the payment amount in the Payment panel. Once you've added your payment information, click Next. Review the summary page to ensure that all information is correct. Click Submit when you're ready to submit your application. You will be prompted to enter your password, which serves as your signature. Once you've entered your password, click OK. The confirmation screen has your confirmation number. Print or write down your confirmation number for your records and so you can track this transaction in the future. Once you're finished, click OK to submit your registration. The SCDOR will review your submitted application and you will receive a response within 4 to 6 weeks. If you would like to check the status of your submission, log into MyDORWAY and click the More tab. Click the Search Submissions link in the Submissions panel. If your license is pending, it will be listed under the Pending tab. Your license will move to the Process tab once it has been processed. MyDORWAY will display a link in the ABL panel within 60 days of your license expiration date. To renew the license, click the Renew License link and fill out all required fields. For more information about MyDORWAY, including tutorials and how to sign up, visit dor.sc.gov/MyDORWAY. Thanks for watching.